Today's video from Sam4S, we're going to demonstrate how to perform a factory reset on the ER-260BEJ register. So just a word of warning up front, this process will wipe all program and sales data from the machine, so only perform if you're happy for the machine to be returned back to the out-the-box factory default. You'll need the metal key marked C. The first thing to do is to disconnect the machine from the mains power. Then when the machine's totally off, turn the key round to the service position, which is one turn past PGM. It's an unmarked position on the mode lock. Once you've got the machine off and the till in the service position, press and hold down the subtotal button here, and then while holding it down, plug the machine back into the mains. Release the subtotal button, and when the display reads RAM all clear, press the top left, bottom left, top right, bottom right buttons on the keyboard, and the machine will perform the RAM all clear. You then get the option to load the default memory, which is what I'm going to do, or you can pre-program the memory allocation on the machine. So to load the default memory, it's cache, and you'll get a printout confirming the reset and the current memory allocation. The machine is now ready to be reprogrammed from scratch. Okay, I hope that video has been helpful. Got plenty more videos showing you how to set up and use the ER-260. Some of those videos will be appearing on screen now, so you're welcome to check those out. You can also subscribe to this YouTube channel or visit sam4shelp.co.uk for more. Thanks for watching.